Welcome to NextGen Manufacturing. Today, we're going inside the $1.5 trillion US defense infrastructure. This isn't just a wall. It's a vast global network of borders, fortresses, military bases, and advanced technologies, all designed to protect one of the world's most powerful nations. How is this colossal system built, and what makes it so effective? Let's find out. What exactly is this $1.5 trillion defense wall? Forget the idea of a single, continuous barrier. America's defense system is a complex, multi-layered fortress. It starts with physical border barriers and high-tech smart walls. It extends to hundreds of overseas and domestic military bases that project power and respond to threats. It includes sophisticated missile defense systems designed to intercept attacks from the sky. Above us, surveillance satellites provide a constant watch. In the seas and skies, naval and air forces create mobile shields. And in the digital realm, cyber defenses protect the nation's most critical assets. Together, these interlocking systems form a global defense shield, a monumental feat of engineering and manufacturing, with a price tag exceeding $1.5 trillion. This is not just defense. It's a statement of technological dominance, built to deter and respond to threats on a global scale. It's a system designed to be everywhere at once, from the deepest oceans to the furthest reaches of space. Let's zoom in on the borders. Modern defense infrastructure here goes far beyond simple concrete and steel. Today's border systems are a fusion of brute strength and intelligent design. We're talking about reinforced steel barriers, often filled with concrete and anchored deep into the ground, with underground foundations to prevent tunneling. But the real game changer is the technology woven into these barriers. Motion sensors and thermal cameras can pick up the slightest movement, day or night. AI-powered surveillance towers analyze video feeds in real time, distinguishing between animals, vehicles, and people, and flagging suspicious activity for human review. Unmanned drones and advanced radar systems provide aerial coverage, extending the eyes of the Border Patrol for miles into surrounding terrain. These systems are designed to detect movement long before it reaches the physical barrier, even in total darkness, dense fog, or extreme weather. It's a smart, responsive network that turns a passive line on a map into an active, intelligent perimeter. So, how are these massive, technologically advanced structures actually built? Constructing defense infrastructure is a monumental manufacturing and engineering challenge. These structures aren't just built to stand, they're built to endure. Engineers must design systems that can withstand the harshest environments on Earth. From the scorching desert heat that can warp steel to the freezing cold that can crack concrete. They have to resist corrosion from salt air and sand, and be strong enough to resist direct physical impact. On top of that, these systems must operate continuously, 24 hours a day, for decades, with minimal maintenance. To meet these demands, the industry relies on advanced manufacturing techniques, Prefabrication allows large sections of barriers or buildings to be constructed in a controlled factory environment before being transported to the site. This speeds up construction and ensures consistent quality. Modular construction is also key, allowing for rapid assembly and easy expansion. And on the ground, robotic welding and automated machinery are used to accelerate deployment while maintaining the strength and precision required for structures that a nation's security depends on. But perhaps the most powerful and revolutionary part of America's defense wall is completely invisible. We are talking about the digital layer of technology and artificial intelligence that forms an early warning system spanning the entire globe. High above the Earth, a constellation of surveillance satellites tracks movement across continents, providing intelligence that is impossible to gather from the ground. Down below, powerful supercomputers running sophisticated AI algorithms sift through unimaginable amounts of data in real time, from satellite imagery to communications signals, identifying patterns and potential threats long before they materialize, and protecting the nation's own digital backbone. Cyber defense systems stand guard over critical infrastructure like power grids, financial networks, and communication systems. This digital fortress acts as the nation's nervous system, detecting threats long before they can ever reach America's physical borders. It's a wall built not of steel, but of data, and it is this invisible shield that often provides the first and most crucial line of defense. The physical footprint of U.S. defense is embodied in its global network of fortresses and military bases. The United States operates hundreds of these installations worldwide, and they are far more than just barracks for soldiers. Each base functions as a strategic fortress, a forward-deployed piece of American territory. They are also critical manufacturing and logistics hubs, capable of repairing advanced aircraft, vehicles, and weaponry. Many serve as rapid response platforms, allowing forces to be deployed to a crisis zone in a matter of hours, not days. Building and maintaining these bases is like constructing and running a series of self-sustaining cities. Each one must be equipped with its own power generation, water purification systems, waste management, and, of course, layers of advanced security architecture. From the hardened aircraft shelters designed to withstand attack to the sophisticated command and control centers that coordinate global operations. These bases are marvels of modern engineering and manufacturing, projecting power and sustaining forces thousands of miles from home. Looking to the future, defense infrastructure will rely even more heavily on technology and automation. The trend is moving towards autonomous systems. Imagine swarms of drones patrolling vast stretches of land or sea, coordinated by a central AI. Surveillance will become even smarter, with AI-controlled cameras and sensors that not only detect but also predict potential threats based on subtle changes in behavior or environment. We'll also see the rise of smart materials, self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks. or coatings that can change their properties to avoid detection. Rapid modular manufacturing will allow for the deployment of entire defense outposts in a fraction of the time it takes today, assembled on-site like a set of high-tech building blocks. The future of defense is not just about building bigger or stronger walls. It's about building smarter, faster, and more adaptable systems. Defense is evolving from a contest of force to a competition of information, speed, and technology. The modern world is built on complex systems that most people never see. The engineering and manufacturing that go into protecting a nation are some of the most advanced on the planet. If you want to continue exploring the incredible world of how things are made and how technology shapes our security, subscribe to NextGen Manufacturing. We have many more deep dives and documentaries on the way. Thanks for watching.